So in this video, I'm going to show you on how we can turn any Studio Ghibli character to dance or move based on a video, which in this case, I'm going to be using this video as a reference. So in case you didn't know, you can use ChatGPT to convert any photo into a Studio Ghibli character, which was viral a few weeks ago. And you can navigate to chatgpt.com and then you can upload your own photo and then use this prompt to convert the photo into the Studio Ghibli style. Now, I'm going to be using this character that was created by ChatGPT, and I want to use this video to basically convert the movement into this character. So just imagine that this character can move based on the movement from this video. But there is one thing here that you need to know. Make sure that all the body parts from the photo and the video are visible. So in this case, you can see that all the body parts is here, and it's also true for this character. So you don't want to just show the head or maybe the torso. You want to show all the body parts, which is basically the same as from this video. Now, after you have acquired the picture and also the video, you can navigate to Viggle.ai and then you can click try on web, and then you can sign up for free using email or using your Google account. And after that, after you have logged into your account, this is what the tool look like. You want to click on this tool called move, and basically we can upload the photo and also upload the video for the reference. So for the photo, I'm going to be using the picture of Studio Ghibli Donald Trump. Let's just drag and drop right here and just wait until it finishes. Alright, so the photo has been uploaded. Now I'm going to continue with the video. Okay, I really apologize for the slow connection because there was quite a heavy rain right now. That's why the internet is very slow, but shouldn't be a problem. Alright, so this is the photo and this is the video. Now I do recommend to use the latest model. Right now it is version 3 beta, and I can remove watermark, but it is a paid feature. If you are trying to make the video to be watermark free, then you have to subscribe to the pro subscription, which is going to cost $9.99 per month. But the free version is totally fine with just watermark. And when you're done, just click generate, and this process will take several minutes to complete. And when it is done, I will show you the result. Alright, apparently it is done, and this is the result. So let's click on that video and let's see the result. Okay, that's quite promising already. Okay, if you ignore the buffering time, it is actually moving quite smoothly, just like the original video. And I would say it's pretty close to the actual movement. Although the bottom part is kind of being cropped here, I don't know why, but yeah, it's not a big of a deal. But at least I can see that the character is moving. Maybe the only problem is the facial expression is basically empty. It doesn't appear that he has an expression. But given that the focus here is just the body movement, I would say it's doing quite a great job. So there you go. That's how you can turn any character to move based on a video using this tool called Viggle.ai. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.